Hi and welcome back to yet another channel of Swapnav Kitchen. This is Swapnav Lifestyle. Today we are going to take you to Thean Hou Temple, which is in Kuala Lumpur. It's a beautiful place and it's a must visit from photography point of view. You can click n number of beautiful colorful pictures of this temple and inside the temple as well, as there are no restrictions to carry the camera inside the temple. If you plan to visit this place, you can easily cover it on the same day by clubbing it with Batu Caves and Genting Highlands. We will post videos every week, so do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching Swapnav Lifestyle.